react to your partner's actions. Yes, react, warm, there. Stay like this. Warm, yeah. For example, here. So what is more important here, when you connect, try not to change this arm. Keep it, this is called frame. Keep that frame more still. Warm, yes. Yeah, keep it still here. Tummy in. Right. So here now, it doesn't really matter how many hip twists I do. Wait, just follow me. Warm. Your job to create connection and look good. Not to count how many rumba walks you do. Warm, and then react. So for example here, because you also don't follow, it's completely off time. But how to make it on time? How to make it on time? So the only way to make it on time is to connect to your partner and let him guide you. That's the only way. Even there is, actually you did here a correct step, but we dance with you 3 times off time. So it doesn't work, knowing routine. So you have to feel. Yeah, and the same here. So this is called rock step. So you have to go rock front, and you want to get here as much as you. And then here I'm changing you as you come forward. Run, warm, here, yeah. Okay, go forward. Then here is a different step. Forward, side, forward. Yes, that's a little bit different step. Forward, side, forward. Walk and go forward, side, forward. Yeah, and keep driving your spine to me until I change your direction. Yes. Walk. Here. Turn your shoulders. Here. Boom. Yeah. And always show development. It's not the leg straight. It's development of the leg.
Slower.
It's not the spiral. It's development of the spiral, not just getting to final point.
Okay, see.
So development, warm, and then here development. Slow, quick, and slow. And okay, connect. And quick, slow. Quick, go back, follow me. Quick and slow. And I hear you are leading the couple. You're leading me. Quick, and slow. Again, stay connected to my hand. Yeah, run, fan. Yes, they can. And pivot, stay. And I hear you leading me as well. So you go walk, spiral. Yeah, so here is the key of this movement is a hip twist. So you want to go here. Yeah, you want to do massive twist. Whoa, like that. And then out of this already change. Yeah.
Here, massive twist here.
Yeah, after the step. So you have forward walk turning, transferring weight forward, go massive twist here. Yeah, and then from here, very good. You go run back. Yes, go walk. Yeah, and here you want to send your hip up and have a little bit high, low. Walk, high, low.
Okay.
Walk, high, low.
Okay, I didn't know
Walk, high, low. Walk. Yeah, when you walk back, open that hip and thigh to the maximum.
Like open?
Yeah, and I go up. Yeah, after you up, you have to go down. Yeah. Yes. Walk. And then here, how to exit. So there is a few ways to exit. I mean, maybe the easiest you connect and send back. So don't. There is a way you can do it through triangle, but that, yeah,
What is the?
yeah. I think don't do triangle. Just send it back.
Okay. So
Just send it back. Yeah, but collect. So you wanna collect it and send back. Stay here.
okay,
Pivot.
here.
Keep this arm with you, okay?
Yeah.
Don't punch
Yeah.
me with the elbow. Keep it here, okay?
Okay.
So just, yeah, turn, 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 fan. And here, stay towards me, to that fan. Yeah, yeah, bend this elbow. I have this like, no, hand straight. Right. Very good. So connect. Yeah, and then feel, okay? Walk close, and go down. Yeah, okay. You have to feel. So you stay in fan. Here, I give you signal, you close. You're going up, and then you have to feel this hook. And then it's gonna be more, and then you will know when to go. So it's more in harmony and more connected. Walk, yeah, walk, and connect. Yeah, okay, so try not to, when you dance, to break a
How
wrist.
do I connect when you have straight? Like
Just straight, because you push with your spine. You're not push with your wrist, right? So it's basically like you call for elevator, this kind of hand, right? And use your spine, yeah. So the strength is in your spine, towards your own legs. Boom, walk, and a quick, and slow, and go back. Yeah, it has to be a little bit faster. Yeah, whoop, and walk, slow, connect, and grow. Whoop. Side step, go close. Hippie. Yeah, connect. Reach with your chest. Yes, better. So try the music now. Look for connect.